Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for Cricut? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best sublimation printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson ET3760 Cartridge-Free Printer. What we liked most about Epson EcoTank ET3760 is its low running cost because it is a cartridge-free printer. It uses a low-cost ink replacement bottle system that saves up to 90% compared to inkjet cartridges. ET3760 is a great option if you're looking for a reliable, eco-friendly alternative to cartridge printers. Why did we call it eco-friendly? Just because of its EcoTank ink system. It saves a lot of waste that cartridge printers could not avoid. We found this printer quite efficient because it saves time from frequent paper loading. A higher capacity tray allows printing for longer periods without worrying about feeding the paper repeatedly. It has an impressive 150 sheet paper tray that makes it fast, efficient, and easy to print large designs. This printer offers a variety of features such as wireless connectivity, automatic duplex printing, and 4x optical zoom. You can also use the scanner to scan documents, photos, or art. It can connect to your home network via a wired or wireless connection, and the built-in Ethernet port allows you to connect it directly to your computer. At number 2. Epson EcoTank ET4760 Cartridge. ET4760 is a one-step advanced printer to the first printer we discussed above. It has a 250 paper handling capacity tray. We have found it worth buying for business owners and those running Etsy shops. Printing with the EcoTank ET4760 printer reduces the environmental impact. It's built with a large ink capacity, and each tank contains a different color, so you won't need to replace any of the ink tanks. The printer has various refill options so you can easily refill your tank with the appropriate color. You can save both time and money on printing with its cartridge-free technology. We can refill ink tanks instead of replacing or buying ink cartridges. At number 3. Epson Artisan 1430 Wireless Color Wide. We were looking for a high-performance, high-quality printer and found Artisan 4130 as the best of the bunch. Although it may not be the cheapest model on the market, it is one of the best. This is because it can produce stunning prints as large as 13x19, and it's fast too. Artisan 1430 can also print images in almost any format and produce professional quality CDs and DVDs. And, with wireless connectivity, you can easily share your results with others. This printer has handy features like dual ink tanks, advanced color correction, a 5-year warranty, and is compatible with both Windows and Mac computers. If you're looking for a printer that delivers top-notch results, then the Artisan 1430 is the way to go. At number 4. Canon SELPHY CP1300 Wireless Printer. While you will transfer a label or design on a first t-shirt, mug, or hat using Cricut Print Then Cut, an excellent combination would be a sublimation printer with it. We can transfer detailed and beautiful full-color designs using the best sublimation printer for Cricut. We've been testing the Canon SELPHY CP1300 for a while now and concluded that it is a good option to cut budget and paper costs. The CP1300 is a low-cost, small, and portable printer. It comes with a 3.2-inch LCD screen so you can easily view and edit your designs before printing. The touchscreen is very responsive and easy to use. The only downside is that it doesn't come with any paper, but we think that's a minor issue since it's easy to order online and inexpensive. It can print on different paper sizes, such as postcards with a size of 4.0 by 6.0 inches, cards with a size of 2.1 by 3.4 inches, and square labels with a size of 2.1 by 2.1 inches. At number 5. Brother MFC J995DW. The MFC 995 does not function as a true sublimation printer. It is an inkjet printer that can be converted to a sublimation printer for use with Cricut machines. Now, this printer can provide you with high-quality results and customizations. I never felt the need to worry about running out of ink as its tank technology allows you to print almost endlessly for almost a year without purchasing more ink.
The re-engineered investment tank cartridge includes an internal ink storage tank that allows you to run the printer without buying any more ink.
The Brother MFCJ 995DW is compatible with wireless technology, so you can easily print from a mobile device without any cables.
This makes printing easy from an iPhone, iPad, or Android device.
This printer can produce a whopping 7,200 pages per month at 600 by 1200 dpi resolution. You can also print on both sides of the paper, and you can print multiple pages on a single sheet.
At number 6. Canon Pixma MG3620 Wireless Printer.
The Pixma MG3620 is a compact device that can print photos and even scan and copy documents. It has all the necessary connectivity options for printing from your smartphone or tablet, including Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, and AirPrint.
The Pixma MG3620 also supports Google Cloud Print and Canon Print.
Canon Pixma 3620 printer is quite powerful, especially regarding its print speed. It can print up to 16 pages per minute in black and white and 9.9 pages per minute in color.
It can also print double-sided with automatic two-sided printing.
The Pixma MG3620 comes with a built-in battery that allows it to work on its own for approximately 8 hours before needing a recharge.
You can easily charge this printer using its USB cable or use the included AC adapter.
If you're looking for a mobile printer that can print, copy, scan, and fax documents, then the Pixma MG3620 is a great choice.